Hi, I'm Lynn with All Nations Realty, and I'm here today to showcase my new listing with its breathtaking views. This home priced right at $475,000 will not last. This home's also in walking distance of your California distinguished schools, not to mention your minutes from the freeway and great shopping centers. This home was built in 1989. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bath, and an additional unpermitted 5th bedroom. For any questions on this property, feel free to reach out to Lynn at 909-957-2109. I'm available and ready to serve you. And I'd like to thank you for viewing my prestigious new listing. I'm Lynn Leon with All Nations Realty, your neighborhood realtor.